If you want to improve your rendering skill in a Blender, then you can use these free Blender add-ons, which are provided by the amazing industry standard rendering engines. Many studios use this rendering add-on in their 3D production work. Hey guys, welcome to CG Voice by CRNT Designers. This is Chetan, and in this video we are going to cover amazing free Blender add-ons for rendering. So without further ado, let's get started. The first rendering add-on, it is the LuxCore Render. LuxCore Render is a physically based, unbiased rendering engine. It is based on the state-of-the-art algorithm. LuxCore Render simulates the flow of light according to the physical equation, thus producing the realistic images of photographic quality it's possible. It fully supports high dynamic range HDRI rendering. Depending on the kind of scenes and whether you are rendering a single image or an animation, choosing the right algorithm can speed up rendering significantly. So that's why many studios and individual artists use this LuxCore Render in their production work. Second rendering add-on, it is the AMD Radeon Pro Render. AMD Radeon Pro Render is a fast, easy and incredible physically based rendering engine built on the industry standard that can take your rendering to the next level on virtually any GPU, any CPU and any OS in over a dozen leading digital content creation and CAD applications. Radeon Pro Render is available as a plugin for Blender and can be used to render anything: product design, architecture visualization, visual effects and many more. The third and amazing rendering add-on, it is the Pixar's RenderMan. Pixar's RenderMan is a photorealistic 3D rendering software produced by the Pixar Animation Studio. Pixar uses the RenderMan to render their in-house 3D animated movie production, and it is also available as a commercial product license for third parties. RenderMan for Blender RFB provides easy access to RenderMan features via Blender. RFB provides truly seamless access to RenderMan speed, power and stability for Blender users who can maintain a simple Blender-centric workflow or take the advantage of the plugin flexibility to create an optimal customized pipeline. So these are the 3 free rendering add-ons for Blender. I have given the link of these rendering add-ons in the description box. These rendering add-ons will help you to improve your rendering skill in Blender. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Take care.